Welcome back to my channel, and as always, if you have any feedback, remember to share so that I know which kind of videos will be helpful for you. So for this video, I'm going to show you how to manage order statuses. And order statuses are useful in several scenarios. The first one is on the order page. It helps you to actually like filter orders based on a specific order status. Okay. The second use is for updating customer orders. So when you switch to like one of your orders under the add history section, you'll see that you need to update the order status, let's say from processing to processed, then add it so that the order now becomes, the new status becomes processed. The other part is actually under system settings, then you click action. It should be under option, if I'm not wrong. And for this, just a quick one, I need to just be sure. Yes, so under option, you'll find this checkout section, and you can see you need to select the default order status. And you can see you can select from any of these. Okay, you can only select one item at the same time. Then there is the processing order status, where you'll be able to select multiple or processing order statuses. Okay, so what it means is like complete, for example, complete, pending, processing, reverse, shift, uh, makes up what we call processing order status. So it's the complete order status. If an order is in any of these status, it means that it's a complete order status. Okay. And then there is a failed order status, so you can just select, for example, failed. Then there's voided, there's fraud, and yeah, so that is the other use of statuses. So I'll just click save. And then the other part is under reports, and it's under sales report, where you are able to actually filter the sales report based on the order status. In this case, you can select any of these and then click filter so that it only shows you orders that are in the pending status. Now, for you to add a new status or edit, you need to come to the system section and then localization, then order statuses. And on this page, you'll be able to manage them. Let me, for example, edit this one and just say, for example, warehouse. Let me use something different. Let me just say shipped X. Okay. And then if I need to edit another one, I'll just say, for example, chargeback, or chargeback Y, just for demo. Okay. Yeah. So once you've done that, it will automatically show up on these filters. So you can see chargeback Y and shipped X. Okay. So in case they don't show, if in case your newly added or edited status doesn't show up, in most cases you need to refresh your cache so that OpenCart can regenerate the new order statuses. So that's it, guys. If you have any questions, kindly let me know in the comments. See you.